How to extract audio from video on iPhone. Whether it's for a voiceover, background music, or a podcast clip, this guide shows you exactly how to extract audio without using any third-party apps. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. At the top, tap the shortcut name and rename it to something like Extract Audio so it's easy to find later. Then, tap the Info icon at the bottom and turn on Show and Share Sheet. Next, tap where it says Images and 18 more, hit Clear, and choose Only Media. This ensures the shortcut will appear only when sharing videos. Now, in the Action search bar, type Encode Media and select it. Tap the drop-down under this action and choose Audio Only as the format. Finally, add the Save File action and make sure Ask Where to Save is enabled. Hit Done to save your shortcut. To use it, go to the Photos app, select the video you want to convert, and tap the Share button. Scroll through the Share options until you find Extract Audio, the shortcut you just created. Tap it, choose a folder to save the audio, and that's it, the audio will be saved as a separate file in your Files app. You can now play it, share it, or use it however you like. It's clean, fast, and doesn't require any extra downloads. If this helped, hit like, leave a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.